Hi first class, Mr. Dunk here. Let's have a look at these worksheets on place value. So this first worksheet we have 6 pictures of blocks. Some blocks are in rows of 10 and some blocks are single on their own. And at the bottom, for us, we have actually 6 numbers which are the 6 answers. Those 6 numbers we have to try and match with a picture. So we have a look at the picture to see how much it's representing. Most of the numbers we'll be looking at today will be 2-digit numbers. Let's have a look at a random 2-digit number. Let's choose number 15. Now, the number 15 is made up of 2 digits, as I said. Each digit doesn't have the same value. Let's have a look at the 2 digits. The digit on the right-hand side, the 5, is a unit. That means a unit is equal to 1. We can actually call a unit a 1 as well. So this 5 is not just 5, it's 5 ones. 5 times 1, which is actually, yes, 5. The 1 here, to the left of the 5 though, is not a unit, it's a 10. So the value of this 1 is not 1, it is 110, or 1 times 10, which is 10. So to find the value of this number, we can add the 110, which is 10, to the 5 units, which is 5. 10 plus 5, 15. Or the quicker way is just to have a look at the number and see what it looks like, which is obviously the number 15. Let's have a go at working out the value of these pictures over here. So let's have a look at the first one. First of all, we have this 1 cube on its own. Now, this 1 cube, the single cubes represent the units. So I'm just going to put a 1 up here to represent 1 unit. Now, next to the 1 cube, we have 10 cubes, but they're linked together. This represents 110. But instead of me writing the number 10 here, I'm going to write 1. Because it's not 10 tens, that would be 100 by the way, it's 110. Now, what we could do is we can add the 2 digits together, now that we know their values. So 110 is 10 and 11 is 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. Or what you can do is just have a look at the 2 digits together and see what number it makes. So 1 and a 1, if you put them together, it makes 11. Hopefully, if we go to the bottom, yes, there is a number 11 yet there. So we can put that in as the answer. Let's do the second one. This time I have 1, 2, 3 single cubes. So that is 3 units, or 3 ones. And again, 1 single row of 10. So that is 110. I'm writing the letters T and U just to remind myself of the values. So 110 plus 3 units. 10 plus 3 is 13. Or, once again, we put the 2 numbers, put them next to each other. A 1 and a 3, that is the number 13. Let's double check that the 13 is down the bottom. It is. Brilliant. Have a go at the rest of those on that page. The second sheet is a little bit more challenging. There are, instead of 6 activities, there are 12 this time, and there are no answers. You have to figure it out by yourself. One thing that is a bit easier though this time is that it already gives us the different categories. So here it says tens, so we can figure out if we have a look in this box, there's 1 row of 10, so that's 110. I'm not going to write the number 10 because it's not 10 tens, it's 110. And here it doesn't say units, it says ones, and as I explained earlier, ones is just another word for units when we're talking about maths. So I'm just going to write that up there as well. And how many ones or units are there? 1, 2, 3, so I'll put my 3 in there. And what number do we have? Well, we can do the adding like I said, so 110 is 10, 3 ones is 3, 10 plus 3 is 13, or just look at the number, it's right there in front of you, 1, 3, that's 13. Let's do one more, see if we can find a tricky one. Ooh, what about this one here? Right, let's start with the ones, or the units. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 units there. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3 tens. And I know some of you are very good at your 10 times table. You're thinking, Mr. Duncan, that's 30, so write 30 in there. But it's not 30. It's not asking me how many units there are. It's asking me how many tens there are. And there are 1, 2, 3 tens. So I'm just going to write the number 3. Okay. And that gives us the number 38. Have a go at that. Let me know how you get on. Best of luck. See you soon.